Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Then disconnect battery cable. Now unscrew and remove battery. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Then separate clips and remove memory. Now unscrew solid-state drive. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Next, unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Next, unscrew and disconnect touchpad. Then disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and lift left hinge. Next, unscrew and lift right hinge. Now unscrew and disconnect DC jack. Now separate display assembly from Palmrest. Then remove motherboard cables. Now unscrew and disconnect motherboard. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.